Hey Jacob, what are you doing?
Hey, how are you? I'm just finishing up that project right now. So basically, I'm up to that relay 11 right there here. What I do is I look at where it starts, and then I'm gonna have to find where it goes. So that's one page 116. Find it. That's actually right there.
It's right there on the top.
So yeah, so now wire 246, gotta find my wire 246, which is right here, and then I connect here to that trio module, so trio, and then pin 14. So now gotta know what color, what gauge. This is 24 volts, so it's blue. And control, we get the 18 gauge. So here, that relay, I can find it right there. One end already prepared, so that's pretty
cool.
good.
Yeah.
Gotta figure out the length. Add a little loop. There you go. Cut the extra length. There.
So where did you learn all that?
Where do I learn?
Read schematics.
Oh, that's cool.
Figure out where to go.
Gotta do a deck at school and the electricity.
Okay, it's a lot of expertise.
Yep.
Okay, question. Why don't you just land it?
What
I
do you
have
mean?
another trick. Look. Here, come over. I'll show you. Just get out of the way. We don't need that much space. We just need a small table. Here, the wire are actually fabricated with source and target.
Oh, really?
So what we do, we print the source and target. So instead of you figuring out on zillions of pages of schematics where to go, it's already on there. And all you have to do is land it. Or just land it.
What was that?
Oh, that is actually to help you actually figure out, if you don't know exactly where that CR1 is, you can actually go here and it's going to show you the CR1, exactly where the component is, right? The first one and the second one. So you can actually connect them properly. Wow. And the idea, of course, is to monitor how quickly you do this, because you have all the details, you know, what kind of torque you have to apply, what is the ending, what kind of tool you should use. So if you start, let's say on the CR1 side, just confirm it's half installed. Just go and install it.
Okay, CR1 is right there.
Yeah.
That's pretty easy. Alright, put that up there.
Yeah.
And then just look at the other end and I know right away, right?
Yeah. It's OL197. It's actually written on the wire. So
perfect.
Yeah. And it's in perfect length, right? So you don't have to shorten it, you don't have to do anything. The cute thing is, of course, as soon as you do this, we can monitor. We have already half of the wires installed. The other half is right here. You just hand it over and go one by one. They're actually exactly in the right order. So the next wire in line is that one. You can actually check it out a little bit more in detail, exactly how to wire for the routing, for the path, where it actually goes. So you can see that here we actually expected it to go behind. So you push it behind so you have the exact length. But it's the Smart Productiom that comes with it. It's all tied together. It's super cool. It's done by Eplan. Eplan does the software that calculates everything. We prepare the wires and you just land it.
So it's the end of the paper. Wow.
The end of the paper. Yeah,
Thank you.
End of the paper. And you're down to 1 minute per wire most likely. Instead of, I don't know how many minutes per wire you're spending there.
That's great. Well, I'm going to try that for sure.
Great. Call us at wireprint.com or at Eplan Canada, the Rittal Application Center. We can actually help you with the wire prefabrication.
That's
So
amazing.
it's a service we offer here in Canada.
Well, thanks for the information. I'm going to definitely use it.
Thanks.